a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is weather. Question number 1. Do you like the weather in your country? That depends on what part of the country I live in. Some places have very bad weather, while others have mild weather all year long. Most of the time, I like the weather in my country because it changes a lot throughout the year. Question number 2. What kind of weather do you like the most? I enjoy sunny days with a light breeze. When the sun shines, it's wonderful to be able to go outside and enjoy the warmth and beauty of nature. The cool breeze provides a welcome relief from the heat and sun, making it more enjoyable. Question number 3. Which months have the best weather in your country? The months with the best weather in my country vary by region. The months with the most pleasant weather are typically April through October. The months of May and September are particularly mild and comfortable in some parts of the country. Question number 4. Do you like sunny days? Truly, I do. They offer me a jolt of energy and make me feel more motivated. Sunny days also make it easy to get outside and enjoy some fresh air and exercise. Question number 5. What do you like to do on sunny days? On bright days, I prefer going for a stroll or riding my bike to enjoy the sunshine and nature, swimming or going to the beach, having a picnic in the park, or gardening. I'd also enjoy lying in the sun and relaxing. The sun gives me energy and happiness, and it's a terrific way to get some fresh air and exercise. Question number 6. Does it rain a lot in your hometown? No, it does not. It is typically sunny with little rain. The rainy season is usually in the summer, with a few showers in the spring and fall. Question number 7. Does it bother you much when it rains? No, not at all. I adore the sound of rain and the scent of rain-soaked grass. It also gives cooling comfort in hot times and can aid with the watering of plants and flowers. Question number 8. Does the weather affect your mood? Surely, the weather can influence one's mood. People may become depressed if the weather is cold and rainy. People may feel better if the weather is sunny and warm. This is due to the fact that the weather can affect our energy levels as well as our surroundings, both of which can affect how we feel.